Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E Premium. Coming in this lovely black coloring, this vehicle is powered by an extended range battery, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the interior protection package, the comfort package, and a panoramic roof package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your lovely backup camera, the classic Mustang lights with a roof spoiler. We do got those nice looking rims on this vehicle, electric door openers. You just press it open and it will open. As well as on the back here, you got the little lip here as well. Pretty nice. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and a place to plug in your vehicle for charging. Pretty nice. Of course, you do get your frunk in there for extra storage, and that lovely Mustang grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does have plenty of storage. You got a cargo area screen that you just hook up to these, which is pretty nice, as well as up there. Hooks and doodads, cargo cubbies, 12 volt. You got a cargo area protector with your normal storage underneath with a tire pressure sealant kit. Taking a look in the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black quilted leathering, plenty of door space in the back. Nice looking door handle. We got floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Upgraded B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers. Got your max temp, traction and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 12 kilometers. We got a digital speedometer, speed light, distance to empty with your battery. Got that nice speaker sound system that goes across the dash. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Volume, playback play forward, voice, phone, cruise control. We got your park sensing that you can turn on or off. Pretty nice. Hazards, parking brake, storage, more storage here, cup holders, and more storage with some outlets. And under storage as well. You got your center console here as well that does just slide out like here with some more outlets down there. Engine starts up. A big old infotainment system, and above me we got our panoramic Vista roof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have all our apps such as your radio, phone, all the normals, navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, tire pressure, trips. We do get little video games with this vehicle. And looking here, here's all your Sirius XM apps. Your climate controls will be found at the bottom with dual climate up front, heated front seats, and cooling front seats. You got your vehicle settings, such as your drive modes, such as whisper, engage, unbridle, one pedal drive, propulsion sounds, auto hold, connect your phone right here, and other vehicle settings, which is all pretty handy. We're going to click into our navigation real quick. Pretty easy to use. Search recent saved, zoom in or out, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is MA00962, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.